Good afternoon. I'm Joel. This is Kaitlyn and Jose. We've got 3 ideas we'd like to present with you tonight, and Kaitlyn's going to start with the first one.
All right, our first idea is going to be a serving tray stabilizer. And with that is how it's going to work is we're going to use that counterbalance stabilizer, which is going to be the base part of the counterbalanced arm of the patent. And right now the problem that we're seeing is in the top picture that waitresses and waiters are dropping their tray. So with this, it's going to help. How it's going to work is we're going to strap your hand to that stabilizer, and that stabilizer is going to be built into that tray to stabilize the tray better. And so imagine this. Imagine you are a server and it's rush hour in the restaurant, and you're trying to get the food to that customer as fast as you can, and someone runs into you. Well, that food just goes on the floor. So this will help it from when you're moving quickly and you're in a hurry, you may bump into somebody. That's going to stabilize it. So if your hand goes this way, it's going to keep that tray level and stable. So the closest thing in the market that we have is probably this tray right here at the bottom. And with that, and the reason ours is unique is because ours stabilizes that tray. This one, there's not really much stabilized there. And the biggest target for our market is going to be restaurants, more of sit-down restaurants rather than obviously fast food. So, and then our next idea is Jose.
Okay, for our second idea, we have the wheelchair mounting system. It's used for mass transportation. And so we're going to use part of the pan for the mounting on the sides, on the bottom, to lock in for the wheelchair, as you can see here. The closest thing that we found to our idea was this thing, but instead it uses a bunch of cables, and as you can see, a couple of them don't seem so secure. Like this one seems like it could fall out and loosen out. So that would be one of our big problems, is having that and having other people assist you. As you can see here, so you have to have another person assist you. You can't do it yourself. And also this could move more than what our idea is. Our idea is more secure. You can do it by yourself. You don't have to have any assistance. So you can just walk in, strap in to those locking systems with the mounting onto the wheels, and you can also lock yourself out of it. So it works really great in case of an emergency. You can do it yourself if other people are doing something else. So another thing, our idea is unique is because there's nothing like this out there, so besides this one. And so because you're going to be doing it yourself, you don't have to have anybody else's help with it. So, and then another problem would be is when you get on there, you're going to have to wait for the driver, wherever you're transporting to, having them to wait for you to get strapped in, and having the person, whoever assists you, having them to wait to get done what they're doing, assist you with that. So, and our target market would be people or main mass transportation systems such as airplanes, buses, and trains. All of those would be great for this, because so they can assist better and accompany better the safety and have them secure and faster secured into the system. So I think our system is better because if you think about it, if you're in a wheelchair, you're going to have to go through a lot of hassle having to walk in, having somebody do it for you. Instead of doing that, you can do it yourself. It'll be faster, easier, and more secure than what this shows like right here. And so that would be more moving and shaking, but ours work better because it stabilizes and secures it better, and also maintaining it more safe and also doing it faster. So third idea, Joe has it right here.
Thanks, Jose. Our third idea is a tie-down system for the bed of a truck or for a trailer. As you can see, trucks currently only come with 4 tie-down points in the bed of the truck, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. This can pose a huge problem when you're trying to tie down an object that maybe doesn't line up with your tie-downs. So our idea, much like what you can see here, but a little more efficient, is a track which uses the airborne tie-down technology. So you have the rollers and you have these straps that tie into these tracks, just like the connectors on the airborne mounting system. But instead of our nearest competitor, where you have to take these out and move them to wherever you want, our straps connect directly into the track and can be moved and placed wherever you need them with ease. We would like to target truck owners and also auto park retailers. There are 50 million trucks on the road, and we know we cannot capture this whole market, but that gives us a great target market to start with. So in conclusion, we have the self-balancing tray using the counterbalance robot arm. We have the wheelchair tie-down system using the airborne mounting system patent. And we also have the tie-down tracks for a truck or trailer also using the airborne mounting system. We hope you enjoyed our ideas, and thank you for your time.
All right, guys.